The 2026 Ferrari V8 is a masterclass in automotive engineering, a symphony of power, precision, and passion that embodies the very spirit of Maranello. From the moment you set eyes on its sculpted body, it's clear this isn't just a car, it's an experience. Every line, every curve has been meticulously crafted to merge aerodynamics with artistry, resulting in a silhouette that slices through the air with effortless grace. Underneath the hood lies a new generation V8 engine, a powerhouse that delivers breathtaking performance without compromise. With its advanced twin turbocharging system, it produces an extraordinary amount of horsepower, paired with torque that surges instantly with a touch of your right foot. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint is a visceral rush measured in mere seconds, yet it feels like time slows down as the symphony of pistons, turbos, and exhaust notes comes alive. The engine's response is immediate, sharp, and exhilarating, offering a connection that Ferrari enthusiasts have revered for decades. Every sound that 2026 V8 produces has been tuned for emotion. The growl at idle is a promise, the roar on acceleration, a declaration. It's a voice that speaks to the soul of driving, a reminder that this is a machine built not just to move, but to inspire. Ferrari's engineers have refined the exhaust system to perfection, ensuring that every shift, every burst of speed, resonates like a musical crescendo that leaves you breathless. Handling is equally mesmerizing. Advanced aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis create a car that is both agile and planted, reacting with precision to the driver's slightest input. The steering is direct, the suspension adaptive, allowing you to dance through corners with confidence. Whether navigating tight city streets or unleashing its full potential on a winding mountain road, the 2026 V8 delivers an unparalleled sense of control and exhilaration. Every journey feels like a performance, and every corner an opportunity to push the limits of physics. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology seamlessly. The cockpit is driver-centric, with controls intuitively placed to keep your focus on the road ahead. Premium materials, from hand-stitched leather to carbon fiber accents, evoke sophistication while maintaining a sense of racing heritage. Advanced digital displays offer real-time data from lap times to engine metrics, keeping you connected to the heart of the car. Comfort and performance coexist, proving that Ferrari has perfected not just speed, but the art of driving enjoyment. Safety and innovation are never compromised. Cutting-edge systems assist without intruding, allowing the driver to explore the car's full potential while maintaining confidence. The 2026 Ferrari V8 is as intelligent as it is thrilling, a perfect blend of human emotion and mechanical brilliance. Every moment spent behind the wheel is a reminder of why Ferrari remains an icon. The 2026 V8 is more than a critz, a celebration of engineering, design, and passion. It embodies the essence of Ferrari, audacious, exhilarating, and unforgettable. To drive it is to experience the extraordinary, to witness speed and elegance, fused into one unforgettable masterpiece. This is not just the future of performance. It is the future of driving exhilaration itself.